Alright everybody, today we're going to take a look at the WLtoys Q343 mini quadcopter. Ages 14 and up. Okay, sure. Now this is one of them phone flyers, which you know I like these about as much as I like a freaking shotgun blast to the face. So, but supposedly it has some features on here. HD camera, mobile Wi-Fi connect, 6-axis gyro, you know, the usual suspects. Let's take a look at it. Is that an unboxing? Technically it is. I opened the box and there it is. Okay, it's unboxed. Here it is right here. It has a little camera on the front. It's got a nice color to it. You know, there's the little Wi-Fi antenna right there. You need a magnifying glass to see this crap. And it says it passed. It passed the QC control. The battery is a little 100 milliamp hour jobber in there. This looks just... I tried binding this thing to a whole bunch of transmitters, but I couldn't get it to work on any of them. But it looks just like that Sky Viper M550. I mean, it looks just like it, you know. So I figured that would bind to it, but it didn't. You know, I tried anything. Believe me, I pulled about 20 transmitters off the shelf and tried to get them to bind with this, but I couldn't. And I don't have a jumper, so I can't even go that route. But this is one of them things that's fun to fly, like that Sky Viper, that M550. The thing's a blast. With the controller, okay? But with the phone, you know it's going to suck, okay? You know it is. Weighs 18.4 grams. Yeah, you know this is destined to suckage. Plain and simple. But we're going to find out here in a minute, right? That's what we're here for. Okay, here's the stuff. The charger and the spare props. The spare props are those little wedge-on type, so you just yank them off of there after you crash and you tear up the props. And then once you bend the shaft, I've actually bent shafts back with needle nose pliers and saved them, but sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. So that's it. That's the only thing in there is the charger and the spare props, and then the manual. And it gives you the QR code. And then it tells you on here how to, you know, charge it and left and right turn and all that. But, you know, that's pretty easy stuff once you get the phone. I prefer the little gyro mode on here to just tilt the phone. You could get it to fly. But I just must be some uncoordinated dork because I have the hardest time getting that to work. I think JD Quad's pretty good at being able to maneuver these quads with the phone, but I just haven't got the hang of it. Probably because I don't want to. Because I don't give a crap about these phone flying things. When I bought this, I did not know that this was a phone flyer. I just missed it when I was looking at it on... I got it from Banggood. And it just completely slipped past me that this was a phone flyer. So I'm screwed on that. So let's get it turned on and get it over with. Okay, let's get it turned on. And we'll try to find some Wi-Fi here. Wi-Fi UFO. That's going to be the name of the Wi-Fi connection. If it asks me for a password, I'm going to throw it in the garbage disposal. Okay, it didn't. Then let's go to the app, which is going to be this one here, WLFPV. So we're going to click that, and we're going to hit play. And there's the screen. And there it is. Now let me start the recording out and get that out of the way so he can ask me for the permissions and all that crap. Okay. I don't see the takeoff and land, unless that's it there. Just let me start the video and set it over here. There it goes. Okay, I got it in the gyro mode now, which is the easiest way to do. I don't know if it does flips. I'm going to try it. There's some kind of button there. Looks like it might be a flip button, but no. I mean, I guess it works, right? There was a little spinorama for you. You see that? The rate, I have it in the low rate because you saw how fast that yaw speed was, just in the low rate. So this would be one of them ones that would spin like 100 miles an hour in a circle. Okay, it works. So at least it flies, right? Because this is actually way better than I actually thought it was going to do. I thought it was going to be way worse than this. This thing is performing way better than expected, okay? Way better. Hold on, let me see if I can get a flip. Oh, that's not the flip. Well, let's just see what the flight time is. I'm not digging this thing too much. I'd be zipping this thing all over the place if it had a controller. But as it is, what if I turn the rate up and see what happens? The thing about these phone flyers, this one doesn't seem to have the lag in it that most of them do. Most of them have a lot of lag. But this thing seems to be performing pretty well. There's the high rate right there. Look at that. And the battery died. Let's kill the video so at least I can save that. Well, maybe it didn't. I guess it just went into the high rate and started going ape shit, so the battery's still going even though I cut the video. I'm just riding the storm out here, guys. Okay? Okay, there goes the lights. It's getting ready to go down. Now, what I'm going to probably wind up doing with this, just land already and be done with it. I don't even know how to cut the motors on this thing. Okay. You just hit this little thing for the control for the sticks. It has an on and off thing. When you hit it, when you touch the off button, which is what it's going to look like when you first start it, it's going to look like that. And then to bring the joysticks up, you hit that, and then to turn off the motors, you just hit that again. So That'll turn off the motors. Yeah, what I'll wind up doing with this thing is the next time I send something out to somebody, I'll just throw this in there, okay, as like a bonus. Yeah, that's what I'll do. The next time I send out a quadcopter to somebody, I'll drop this in the package. It'll be like a bonus gift. Yeah, it's a real classic. The WLtoys. Now, this is the last time I'll ever fly this thing, believe me. This was a one-time Charlie deal here, okay? The WLtoys Q343. Yeah, you know, you gotta have some laughs in this stuff, okay? You can't take this too serious. It's just cheap toys, okay? It's not life and death, okay? All right, guys. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.